what you did. You soiled the money. Hot. Now I'm looking out. Oh my God!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of people that need to contact their loved ones. Please keep your calls to 3 minutes each. Thank you. Sir, the number?
My wife is at Sacramento 24961.
Sacramento 24961.
Honey, it's me. Yes, I'm fine. It was unbelievable. So much damage in town.
No, don't come. Don't come. Everything is blocked. Your puppy and I are fine. We're fine. We were the lucky ones.
I'm Ken Gushi, and this is a 2023 Toyota GR Corolla, and we're going to show you how to drive it on the track and on the dirt the Gazoo way. Oh, hey guys, Alex and Damien?
Kid's smart. Chris, how are you?
Good. I was kind of worried you guys weren't going to make it for a second.
Oh, well, we got caught up in some unexpected traffic.
Yeah, gotcha.
I like your skin.
Thanks.
I love your eyes.
Is this normally how you introduce yourself?
Oh, don't mind my wife. She gets a little too excited sometimes. Don't, girl.
Your email didn't really specify what kind of threesome this is going to be.
Threesome?
Yeah, is this like a bi threesome? Am I fucking you and your wife, or more like a tag team?
Oh, I don't usually partake in the physical stuff. I'm more of a spectator?
Excuse me?
It means he likes to watch.
Oh. Oh!
Are you okay with that?
Sure. I mean, I've never really participated in,
Cuckery?
Yeah.
What's up, Serena here in Covina, connecting with Business Connect company Brightworks. Now, Business Connect is a program that helps connect local and diverse businesses with Super Bowl opportunities. And with Super Bowl 56 just around the corner, we wanted to make sure you knew about all the important people behind the scenes keeping it clean. Brightworks, let's go check them out. I'm here now with Anita Ron, who is the owner and founder of Brightworks. We're here in your office. Thank you so much for welcoming us in. Anita, what is Brightworks?
Brightworks is a commercial janitorial service. We provide cleaning services. We're like a one-stop solution when it comes to cleaning. Started the business 25 years ago with 3 vacuum cleaners and $700.
You didn't do this by yourself. Remember who convinced you to do the Quinceañera episode? I sacrificed my job to help you grow.
She's not on the same vibe as me right now.
Listen to me. These motherfuckers got guns and they will kill us.
What? Why would they?
Hey guys. Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's all right, Mr. Officer Friendly.
Right. What we doing? We just hanging out? What about you? Everything okay, ma'am?
Anderson, it's over. I've met someone else.
I'm sorry to hear that, bro. You don't deserve that.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe I do, man. You know, I always had a problem balancing that whole work life and relationship situation.
Look, this is what you need to do. Get on IG or OnlyFans and find one of these thoughts and handle them. Like, what's up?